All right, take a deep breath in. All the way out. Breathe out. That's it. Good. Take a deep breath in. And all the way out. You're resisting me now. Good. And out. Ready? Ella, what time do you normally finish work every day?
5.
Ella, very slowly I want you to open your mouth. Keep going. Keep going. Bit more. Bit more. More. More.
Ow! Oh my god.
Drop the left shoulder down. There you go.
Oh my
That's it.
god.